at 2 p.m. with plans to Petersburg, but the snow had other plans.
2.5 hours just to get from Mount Vernon Square all the way to Crown right here in Gaithersburg.
But red wasn't the only color some drivers saw tonight. Some of you had to fork over a lot of green too. The sudden crush of cars caused tolls on the I-95 express lanes in Virginia to rocket up to $53 for anyone driving southbound from D.C. to Stafford County around 4. Now, it wasn't all bad news. Some of you were impressed by how clear crews kept things.
Roads, thanks to the salt struts, pretty smooth.
That aside, there's a good chance many of you don't want to see another day like this anytime soon. John Henry, WUSA 9.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
I gotta say, that was a pretty accurate snow map you drew.
I'm pretty happy.
There.
I'm pretty happy with it. And places we had the 2 to 4 plus, some places did get 5 inches. Linden got 5 inches, and Dalston ended up with 2. And all the amounts are on our webpage and, of course, on our app, which is you should download. So tomorrow's a different story. Now we're not concerned about snow. We're concerned about wind and slick spots tomorrow morning, really are, especially north and west of town, where temperatures already are below freezing. They've been below freezing for a few hours. So what's around, probably the most dangerous part of tomorrow, not so much the roads, is getting to your car or getting to the bus stop. So speaking of the bus stop, here we go. Temperature-wise, remember these are downtown temps, 20s in the burbs to start, right around the freezing mark downtown, and then 38 by 9 o'clock, mid-40s by noon, and then low to mid-40s by afternoon with a few clouds. Again, some flurries possible tomorrow, primarily north of town. The best chance will be along I-70 between Frederick and Hagerstown, where actually you could have more than a flurry. You could even have a snow shower. Downtown, this is the temperatures next 12 hours. Notice it's 33 pretty much across the board, 34 by 7 o'clock, and then we're looking at 40s by 1 o'clock. Now let's talk about somebody a little further out, like Leesburg, and this is going to be pretty similar for Frederick and Gaithersburg. Temperatures below freezing until about 8 or 9 o'clock, and then they will spike up above freezing. So that's primarily the reason why we have some delays for the schools. So what does that mean to you? Well, here's the deal. I would allow some extra time to scrape your windshield, especially if you haven't cleaned it or scraped it since the original snowfall. And then, again, be careful walking on the side streets and your driveway. Much more dangerous than driving on the treated streets. And then what appears wet may be frozen. That could be black ice. So again, be careful walking around tomorrow. And if you wait till 9, 10 o'clock, temperatures will be above freezing pretty much across the board. However, they're never going to get really comfortable tomorrow. Why? Because these are wind chills. So 7 o'clock in the morning, it feels like it's 27 downtown. It feels like it's 28 in Fredericksburg. Granted, it's a southwest wind. Not all southwest winds are warm, and this is not going to be one of them. Winds will turn as we go through the day and eventually become northwest. By 1 o'clock, they're more westerly, but the wind chills are still in the upper 20s and low 30s. So we're going mid-40s tomorrow. I'd throw that number out if you're trying to decide what to wear. I would think layers tomorrow for you and the kids. 20s and 30s, a good bet. By 6 o'clock, check this out. It feels like it's 18 in Gaithersburg. It feels like it's in the teens north and west, and even feels like it's 25 in Manassas. So wind chills tomorrow may be the big story after the early morning slick spots. Temps, though, this cold air is not going to hang around long. 44 tomorrow, 40 on Thursday. Colder Thursday, but less wind. And then look at this, 50s on Friday, 60s, and we're talking upper 60s on Saturday, and low 60s on Sunday. If you love winter and snow, this pattern is not for you. In fact, this pattern is not for you for the next 7 to 10 days once we get through tomorrow. So, blustery tomorrow, flurries, wind chills 20s and 30s, and morning slick spots. Cold and dry Thursday, but sunny. Milder Friday with afternoon clouds. We'll keep Friday dry for now. 60s over the weekend. Yeah, we'll pay the price. Some showers. Pretty small price to pay, though. So 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, again, 33 downtown, but 20s and 30s in the burbs. And then by 9:30, 37 downtown. Still struggling to get above freezing in Frederick and Cumberland. So give it to 10 o'clock if you're well north and west of town before you think temps are going to be above freezing. By 1 o'clock, they're in the 40s. But again, this screaming west wind will make it feel like it's in the 20s and 30s all day. So keep that in mind. Think 20s and 30s tomorrow. 44 for a high, 40 on Thursday, and then 56 on Friday. Some afternoon clouds, but we'll keep it dry. Saturday, showers.